So it's raining smartwatches lately, and soon another manufacturer is gonna join in with a new smartwatch called Moto Watch 200. Yes, it has been approved by the Federal Communication Commission a couple of days ago, and we know some of the specs along with few pictures which I will share with you in this video. So hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here and love watching such videos, then subscribe, we will bring more of these in the future. With that said, let's not wait anymore and get started. The design had changed a lot, and by that I mean Moto Watch 100 was a round dial watch, whereas Watch 200 is square. Here are some screenshots. It comes with a large color display, but we don't know which display technology it uses. There are two physical buttons on the right hand side and a textured strap. As for specs, we got another image which reveals some of its key specs, and just by looking at it, we can see that it's a premium smartwatch. It has built-in GPS, 5 ATM water resistance, Bluetooth, aluminum case, and all the necessary sensors such as heart rate and SpO2. There could be more, but right now we only know about these few. Watch 200, like the Watch 100, is expected to run on Moto Watch OS rather than the Google's Wear OS, which is a lightweight health and fitness focused operating system with excellent battery life. Other than that, nothing else has been leaked, but by looking at everything we know, we don't think this will be an expensive watch, but could be slightly pricey than Watch 100. And we could expect this to land in a couple of weeks. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.